Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to use Daylite CRM to master client and project management. Step 1. Open your Daylite on your Mac or iPhone and sign in to your account. Step 2. Create a new client entry by clicking New and selecting Person or Company. Step 3. Fill in contact details and add tags or custom fields for classification. Step 4. Navigate to Projects and click New Project. Step 5. Link your project to the client by choosing the client record in the project settings. Step 6. Set start and due dates, priorities, and assign team members if you are collaborating. Step 7. Add tasks under the project, click New Task, assign it, set deadlines, and add notes. Step 8. Use the pipeline view to track stages of each deal or project funnel. Step 9. Enable calendar sync so that meetings and follow-ups appear in your calendar. Step 10. Review reports. Go to Reports, choose Project Progress or Client Activity to monitor status and next steps. If this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorial reviews, videos, and comparison. Thank you for watching.